and welcome back to my channel. Of course, I'm going to start off this eye look by priming my eyes using the Wet n Wild concealer. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. I'll be using my NYX Bright Colors palette and picking up this yellow orange shade, and at first I'm going to be tapping in the product because I want to build it up to the most pigmented yellow that I possibly could get it, because I find this palette hard to work with. But like I said in my previous video, I did film a couple more videos using this palette, but then I'm going to move forward and just blend out the yellow orange shade. I get that shade blended out, I'm going to move forward and apply this orange shade directly into the crease. I'm going to build on this shade, that way you can see the intensity of the orange. Applying the orange shade directly under the yellow shade, it's going to create a balance and a gradient effect with the eyeshadow. Going back in with the yellow shade, I'm going to go ahead and diffuse the orange and the yellow and just make everything blend together. Picking up some of the orange again, I'm going to go back in and add it into the crease. I did realize that my video started to get dark, so I went ahead and fixed the settings on my camera, but then after that I went ahead and just kept blending in the orange shade. Using my Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Trophy Wife, I'm going to be applying that on my eyelids. What this is going to do is act as a base and pretty much intensify the pink shade that I'm going to be applying on top of it. But in this clip, I'm just going ahead and blending out the liquid lipstick before it does dry down. Picking up the pink shade from the palette, I'm going to go ahead and apply it over top the liquid lipstick. You guys can see the pink just looks more vibrant than what it would have looked like if I would have just applied it over top the previous shadow. Now picking up the orange shade again, I'm going back in to define my crease. Up another Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Famous, I'm applying a dot to my eyelid and then I'm going ahead and blending it out with a smaller brush. I'm not taking it to cover up the pink shade, I'm putting it below the pink shade so that way you can have the gradient of the oranges, the pinks, and the purples. Then I'm going over top with these two purple shades to pretty much set and blend out the eyelid. Then I'm going to go ahead with a smaller detail brush just so I can blend out the edges a little bit more. Picking up the orange shade again, I'm just going back in my crease and pretty much cleaning up and adding some orange. Forgot to mention, but I am going to go off camera to do my face makeup. I guess I forgot to focus my camera, so I do apologize, but I'm just going to speed through these next two clips. I'm taking these two blue shades from the palette and just applying it to my lower lash line with a pencil brush. Then I'm going to go in with a smaller detail brush and I'm just going to blend out the blue. My highlighter today, I'm using the CARLI BYBEL palette times BH Cosmetics, and I'm using the third highlight shade, which is more of a golden bronze highlighter, and I'm just going to be applying that to my cheekbones. Taking my e.l.f. blush palette in the shade Deep, I'm going to be picking up the first shade in that palette and applying it to the apples of my cheeks. Since my eyes did have a lot going on, I decided to keep my lips pretty neutral, and I'm taking my Makeup Forever Professional Artist Liquid Matte Liquid Lip in the number 109, and I'm applying it to my lips. This is the end of today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed this colorful, bold look for Carnival. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every single time that I upload a new video. I'll speak to you guys in my next one. Bye!